What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with Junior Gold champion Carter Street. And today our bowling challenge is golf scoring. Do you guys want to know the rules? We're bowling 10 frames and the frame only ends when you've actually knocked down all 10 pins. No matter how many shots it takes you, that's the score of the frame. So you could have an 11 shot frame, or you could have a 1 shot frame if you strike. So it's a 10 frame game and the lowest score you can shoot is 10.
Always go first.
It's gonna be a good old 1 for Carter.
Throwing messengers down here on the strings already.
On the strings with the messengers? That's tough. I don't know where I was standing when I was warming up. This is not good.
Push.
Just forgot where I was standing.
Two.
Yeah, strikes are really important. It's like when you play a basketball game. When you play by 2s and 3s, 3s aren't that important. When you play by 1s and 2s, you better be hitting your 3s. Spares are also really important because if you get like a 4 frame, Carter, please.
4?
Yeah. Miss a couple 10 pins in a row?
I mean, it wouldn't shock me. Oh my.
Oh, just stand up one time. Hey, good luck on the spare though.
String assist.
It's a tough spare.
It is a tough
A lot
spare.
of hook in the middle of the lane.
It is a tough spare.
Oh my. He made it in the center.
Oh my. It was aced.
Strike puts me back to even. What ball am I throwing? Don't worry about it. The people should know. Tomato vibe.
Hard to leave the back pin.
Oh, hard to leave the back pin. And yet we did it, back-to-back shots.
See, if you just hit the 1, the string's gonna knock it over anyway.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, not again. Oh my God,
See
you're
the
the
back pin
luckiest man I
falls?
know. You're so lucky.
The back pin falls.
You're so lucky.
I create ball motion.
Somebody asked me the other day, they said, it was in the comments on the side channel, what do I say when people complain about people who throw urethane? And I said, they only complain if you're beating them. So I just leave them at the bottom of the leaderboard. Let's get a strike here. Put some pressure back on Carter. Yo,
Best of
Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Really put some pressure back on you.
Aced.
Aced. He said it, not me. What ball you throwing?
Storm High Road. This is a exotic gym.
The High Road Max, is that what that is? Oh. What? Hey.
Overcompensation there.
I'm gonna need to strike 5 through 4 frames.
Okay.
We're gonna need to play a 20 frame game.
But if you were up, we needed to play a 5 frame game.
6 frames max.
You see the ball take out the 4 pin there?
Ball did its job.
The ball took out
The
the.
problem is, I threw urethane and rubber for 2 games before this.
See, you could have just thrown it on a different lane though.
I should have switched lanes after this. But instead, I'm gonna beat your ass with all the carry down. Oh,
my
not again.
goodness.
Ah, our first split of the match. I wish they were further apart though. Like, you're gonna shoot this the same no matter what. If it was a 210, what would your strategy be?
Hit the left side of the 2.
Hit the left side of the 2?
They always bounce out.
I think you should try and hit the left side of the 3.
I'm going to pick a target and it's going to be missed regardless, so I'm just going to rely on the string.
Hook! Alrighty.
That's the last thing you want to do.
Welcome to the game. Carter's got a minimum of 3 here. This is where the scoring comes into play. He hit the 10 over, so now all he's got to do is clean up the rest of it, which is the 3. Known to be one of the hardest spares in the game, by the way, Carter. I don't know if you knew
It
that.
is.
Oh my. Oh my. Welcome to the game.
It's harder to bowl when I'm talking in my own backswing.
Oh, okay, you're gonna get to shoot it again, don't worry.
Okay, too afraid of doing that again.
I'm just saying, it gets more nerve-wracking as you shoot them more. And he's hooking at this one?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Go in the gutter. Ugh. A 4-piece in the 5th frame.
That was 4.
That was a 4-piece.
I'm losing track.
I could tie the game up here with a 3. Take a massive lead with a 1-piece.
Be wary of the carry down.
I'm just gonna throw it a little slower.
Just go around it.
The problem is I also threw shots out on like 5.
Go around it.
Just throw it further to the left.
Yes.
I think I'll just strike instead.
1-2 hooks.
Okay. It was a really good effort, to be honest. I put that exactly where I wanted to. I just threw it a little slower and it hooked early, and now I can make this to go ahead by 1. I'm up by 1 now. Lead change.
We're changing balls.
Changing balls.
Yes.
To a high road.
Storm Tropical.
Storm Tropical Surge.
Phase 2.
Current score 8 for me, 9 for you.
After 5. That is not very good, is it?
9's not good, no.
No.
8's not great either, to be honest.
Okay.
Tropical Surge.
Correct. Ay.
I thought that was gonna hook a little more than that.
I think I gotta go around it more.
You gotta go around it more?
Yeah.
Slower and further right.
Probably.
I like it.
That did look like a tropical surge.
Bears are important, I'm just saying. A solid spare.
That was very solid. I knew exactly where the ball was going.
I'm just gonna keep going right.
Okay, that was a good shot.
Zaddy.
That was an okay shot.
I ripped on that one.
That is not a very good score.
11? Yeah. Not great.
Oh my goodness. Not good.
Just not good.
Not a good effort.
See, here's the thing though. Anything can change if you miss it. If you miss a couple spares in a row, anything can change. Imagine if it gets down to the 10th. Let's say I 7-pin, miss the 7-pin, getting more nervous on the second 7-pin. You should just play that line.
See, I'm the type of bowler to make an awful shot, throw it even worse, then I'm like, all right, I'm gonna ball change.
Same.
It wasn't my fault. The ball just ended up stepping right of my target. That's very good.
Just gotta make sure I get 1 on the spare, keep it close. I would hook at this like 9 times out of 10, just so I could blame the ball if I missed. But there's so much carry down. You think 1-2 hooks?
1-2 hooks.
I'm gonna hook it with my plastic ball.
I think you should throw it there.
I'm gonna hook it with my plastic ball.
See, if it gets to 1-2, it's good. Dang it. You're just a better bowler.
Sometimes, not all the time.
So I didn't throw the last one close, so I'm gonna make another blind move.
We got 3 frames left. Just keep moving.
Imagine.
Changing balls back, I like that. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, the string lean on her.
String assist.
That makes things a little bit more interesting here.
It's like I told you to go around it.
Hey, keep it going, kid. Keep the pressure on. Let that one go. And I thought for sure that I was gonna like 2-8-10. 3-7-9, but I speak righty. That's pretty good. Pretty good if you ask me. Okay, so while we have you on here, you're a junior gold champion. We have a lot of youth viewers out there. What is a junior gold tip that you could give them?
I think making every spare.
Spares.
Because if you shoot 185 every game,
Not bad.
you're going to make the final cut.
You make all your spares, you'll eventually have games of 230. Eventually.
Yes, I think avoiding the 150 games. Shooting 141 and then 770 your back 3 is not exactly how I would recommend doing it.
190, 190, 190, or 210,
Yeah,
210.
it's frustrating because after the first day, if you shoot 190 every game, you're like near the bottom.
But when people change patterns,
But there'll be guys that go 850, 620.
yeah.
So not having the low block.
Don't try and chase the leaders.
That was an okay shot.
This one is actually a must strike for you. To be fair though, anything can happen. Got him. Oh! What's the strategy on this one?
Left side of the 4-pin.
Left side of the 4 makes it every time?
I thought that one was pretty good.
I thought that one was good because your last ones, you hit like 5-6 down lane and they kind of wiggled and came behind the head pin. That one was at like 8 down lane and I thought that was gonna high flush.
Welcome to my bowling life. left side of the 4-pin and actually making sure to hit the 4-pin is key.
That's crucial. I hope you make this, you know?
I mean, I kind of have nothing to lose now. And I missed the 4-pin.
Thought you were gonna make the 7-10 for a second.
And I missed the 4-pin.
Now we make it.
All right, we're good.
Maybe. Yeah, what is this equivalent on a golf course?
107. Right now, I am a better golfer than a bowler.
That's not saying much. You're a phenomenal golfer. Carter is probably like a 4 handicap. Maybe less if he's trying.
They hook so much in the mid lane.
You got it, Kelly.
I'm going to get flamed for this. Is it a bad time to say we shot spares for 2.5 hours in practice yesterday?
That means they should be automatic. The mental test. So this shot's for 5. Shooter! Or I have to get a 6.
How many did I throw on that one?
5.
Oh my. Don't even try.
Thank you guys for coming to the clinic. Welcome to the Packy Hanrahan Show.
That was a great match.
It was a blast. We'll run this back again. Let us know if you guys want to see any crazy ideas that you guys want or you guys think would be cool. Drop them down below in the comments and maybe we'll try yours. Until the next one, peace. And hit that subscribe button. Please. Please hit it. It's free.